Welcome back to Product Critique,
your ultimate destination for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of home improvement with a product that's making waves: the INSL-X Sure Step Acrylic Anti-Slip Coating Paint. If you're looking for the best concrete driveway paint out there, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. The INSL-X Sure Step Acrylic Anti-Slip Coating Paint is a game-changer when it comes to enhancing the safety and aesthetics of your outdoor surfaces. With its durable, skid-resistant finish, this paint is designed to provide exceptional traction on concrete driveways, walkways, patios, and more. Now, what sets this product apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about durability. The Sure Step Acrylic Anti-Slip Coating Paint boasts excellent color retention, abrasion resistance, and resistance to ponding water. This means your driveway will maintain its fresh look while withstanding the wear and tear of everyday use. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the effectiveness of this product. One satisfied user praised its non-slip properties, saying it worked perfectly on their stairs. Another user used it on their bass fishing boat and found it to be both durable and easy to apply. Now, let's talk about ease of use. The Sure Step Acrylic Anti-Slip Coating Paint is fast-drying and easy to apply, filling and sealing cracks with minimal effort. Plus, it covers a generous area, with 80 to 120 square feet of coverage per gallon. Before you start painting, be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper preparation and application. And remember, for exterior applications, avoid painting when rain is threatening, and allow new concrete to cure for at least 30 days. So, whether you're revamping your driveway or adding traction to your patio, the INSL-X Sure Step Acrylic Anti-Slip Coating Paint is your go-to solution. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.